Any message for Jaxon and Indy?
Well, he's growing up. He's 4 now.
Yep.
Fantastic. And he's developed.
Yep.
Thank you.
Kalau lahir tu Indy and Jaxon, kalau menina lahir tu mua, buat kerja mua itu sino malo mai lok nakala sino mahali do tono mua. Kilibeki itu matua hamua John motandal kia mine wah panau hamua. God bless my grandchildren.
Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. May God bless you too. Thank you for the feed. Very beautiful. See you till next year for the next one.
Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. Hope you've had a lovely day. This is an awesome place to have it, aren't you lucky? Who you know? I don't know what else is looking, but I hope you have a wonderful day in here, both of you. 4 and 6. Woohoo!
Happy birthday in the 6th birthday and happy 4th birthday Jaxon. Have an adventureful lovely day. Love from all of us.
Just take me a photo.
Happy birthday?
Oh yeah, is it a movie?
Yeah, movie, yeah.
Happy birthday, Indigo and Jaxon.
Hey, for the birthday to Indy and Jaxon,
Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. Thank you for the beautiful food and the beautiful environment. We had fun. Happy birthday! Yay!
Yep.
Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. UNIAO Hamua. Auntie and your cousins and uncle love you so much, and we hope we have an awesome day today. We love your birthday party here today. And Jaxon, you have 1 more year before you go to school. Keep being a toa niue. And Indy, you have a good year at school today, this year as well, okay? Love you, Mom.
Hey, happy birthday, Jaxon and Indy. Thank you for inviting us to your party. Have a good afternoon. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon, and we wish you the best next year around the sun. Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon, and say thanks for being such cool cousins. Can you say that? Say thanks for being cool cousins. Thanks for being cool cousins.
Happy birthday, Jaxon and Indy. Thanks for inviting me. Oh, thanks for the food.
From Lulu David. Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. Hope you have a good day today. Happy birthday, Jaxon and Indy. Happy birthday, Jaxon and Indy. Hope you have a great birthday. Happy birthday to Jaxon and Indy.
Go.
Happy birthday for Jaxon and happy birthday. And look at the camera and say thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Indy and Jaxon. Thanks for coming, everyone.
And who's Phoenix? Tell everyone who Phoenix is. And what's that you're holding?
And that's from, look, Jaxon, open Leo's one. Yeah, this is Leo's one. Leo Phoenix. Squishy slow.